Katas are not for self-defense.
There's a lot of good attributes that are built from your katas and from your pattern training. I grew up with them and I love them for building strong stances, strong punches, body awareness, proprioception, etc., etc. But if you ever see somebody say, you can block and then hit them 17 different ways and they won't do anything else, that sensei has never been in a street fight. And that's where I start having issues with it, right? Timing is everything. So if I block and punch here and he doesn't throw a second attack, I'm sorry, I'm actually behind the beat. So if I'm blocking, I'm lucky enough to block this, and he punches again, now I have to block this and do something else. We're even. In fact, in my opinion, I'm behind. What should be done is as I'm simultaneously blocking, I'm striking. This is taught in old school karate, good karate classes, taekwondo classes, etc., etc. But is it built for self-defense or not? That's going to be determined up to how your sensei teaches you. So when I'm here, think about the things that you are building because they are fantastic for it. Okay? You are learning how to have good posture. You are learning how to create power in your punches and snap. If Kyle snaps that punch out, boom, it's strong, it's fast. He learned how to punch. It's better than not knowing any martial art. But karate, as everybody calls it in North America, is not self-defense. Self-defense is a mindset that you train with. Let's get back to the attributes he's building. He's understanding his foundation in his stance. He's understanding what a stance is. A lot of my new students have no idea how to stand properly. But if they have previous training, they actually have a really good foundation. So your stance is your foundation like a house. If you've trained in previous traditional martial arts like this, you're going to have very strong stances. You're going to probably have very good strikes, punching and kicking. But is your application actually applicable to a self-defense situation? No. Now, the thing I will give you, though, is in the traditional world, the first movement, yes, 100%. Say if we do the kata we did in the demonstration, okay? Kyle steps forward, he punches with the other hand, and he steps forward, and I block. Good. You have defended yourself, but is that self-defense? This is this kind of hard thing here because it's like, okay, he punched, I blocked, now what happens? Well, in the traditional form is I punch and he's down. But that's not the truth of this situation. In a real life situation, he's going to keep coming forward. He's going to keep attacking. This is why you see some black belts or high level instructors get their ass beat. They're getting beat because they're not training what it's like under real pressure, right? If he punches with that one, boom, and he punches again, boom, and he punches again, boom. It's good. You're learning how to block, but this happened to me when I was a kid getting bullied. The bully would keep coming, I'm blocking, I'm blocking, I'm blocking. What happened to me there? I got backed up into a corner. Now I'm on the locker and I'm getting my ass handed to me, right? And my sensei is like, punch him back. And I'm like, I can't punch him back. I'm trying to block and block and block and block, and I can't punch him back because the timing was off. So if he goes to punch again, boom, same time. Okay, it's called bursting. So I'm blocking and striking at the same time. But are you taught that right away? No. You have to build your foundation, and that's what katas are good for. Remember, kata is you training individually so you can learn how to apply maybe the skill, but more so understand more about yourself. That's the gift of katas. They're not for self-defense. Stay safe.